I'm Jim. I'll be showing you how to make a visual field shield just like this one. It's simple. You'll need laminating pouches, a pair of scissors, the printout here as shown, and a rubber edge guard. Take 2 laminating pouches and fuse them together through the laminating machine. The next step is to print out the template that you downloaded. There's a left side and a right side. We want to overlap one side to the other. The best way to do this is fold along the edge of one of the printout and line up the words or the line where it's perfectly even. The width of the template is 14.375 inches. We are ready to cut the laminated plastic. First, take the top edge of the plastic and line it up with the printout. Let's tape it down now. After we tape it down, we are ready to cut. The final step is to apply the edge bumper around the shield. You can also use common surgical tubing. You'll need to splice it in half. To place the shield inside the visual field machine, bend the shield slightly and make sure your lens holder is out of the way first. Notice the shield is pitched forward towards the patient. It won't create any visual interference. This looks good. Thanks for watching. Please share this video. Stay safe.